Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Right now we are discussing regarding protecting yourself from hackers and online scams. We are watching that we have a lot of incidents of being hacked or being a part of these scams by hackers. So it is compulsory to protect ourselves from these frauds, right? But many of us don't know how to protect ourselves, right? So start with this video. There are a lot of ways for being hacked or being a part of phishing out by the hackers. Many of us are usually do the net bankings using the ATM machines for withdrawing or depositing their cash, ATM debit card or the credit card. There are a lot of fake websites, common or related passwords or the pin, written important or the secure details anywhere, and certain miscellaneous. So we start with one by one, so stay with us. First, with net banking, there are certain rules which should be followed for not being hacked or being protected from these phishings. So first is don't log in from unsafe or the public computer. Second is don't log in from the website link or any website received from any of source. Many of you are having a website link or certain email links, right? So don't use that because they might be the phishing websites. Don't log in from the link received in email to update your KYC. Never use this to update KYC. Registration of 3D secure PIN or the OTP or the two-way authentications. Many of websites are allowing this, so register yourself for this. Don't save your password in browser settings. Never do this. No transactions limit setup. Means keep the minimum amount for these limits. Use virtual keyboards while entering the IDs and passwords, so this may prevent yourself from being hacked. Such things is like virtual keyboard, so instead of your physical keyboard, use the virtual keyboard. Now ATM machine, don't use any unknown ATM machine. Generally go as you are generally going for routine usage. While using the ATM machine, hide the numbers of your ATM card at that time while you are entering your card and withdrawing your card from the machine. So no one can know this either by visual intents or the through the web camera. Enter PIN by covering the keypad with other hand. Never keep any number in duplicate for your PIN. Don't use any number multiple times within your PIN, so all the 4 numbers of your PIN should be different. Never keep your PIN related to your birth date, vehicle number, favorite number or likewise. Never write your PIN on ATM card or inside of the ATM card cover. After completion of the transactions, just rub your fingers on the keypad and make the marks on each and every key. Wait till the card entrance slide start blinking for the new transactions. That means your transaction is over and nothing to be happen with your transactions. Now ATM debit and credit card. Never give the card to anybody for any reasons. In general, we are giving the card to the persons for doing the transactions, but never do this because there should be a scam with this activity. Don't take a photo or the photocopy of your card details on either side, either it is front side or the reverse side. Remember expiry date and CVV number and scratch the details from the card. So just remember these 2 things and then scratch it clearly from your card, so nobody can read out this. Register for 3D secure PIN, OTP and two-way authentication as discussed earlier. Enter the PIN by covering the keypad with other hand. so nobody can know the entered pin. Never keep any number in duplicate. Never keep pin related to your birth date, vehicle number, as discussed. Never write your pin on card or inside of the card cover. See, this is a credit card or the debit card, and it shows that expiry date and the CVV numbers are there. One is on the front side, the second is on the another side. So just scratch it as discussed and as shown in the displays. Fake websites. Don't log in from the website link or any other website received from any source. Always check browser for secure website with a lock symbol and the prefix of that particular website. Don't enter your user ID and password before checking this authenticity. Don't enter your personal details on all of the websites which are not for the personal use. Fake websites. So here is the image shown that this website is the secured website. It shows the lock symbol as well as the HTTPS. S means the secured. Certain websites are there. Likewise, I'm showing ICICI Bank website. This looks like ICICI Bank website, but when you are checking the address bar and the website address, it is not the ICICI Bank website, right? So anybody is sending you the links and you are entering the data. Just before that, look at the address bar. And I think you should be avoided by using these websites. Just directly go to the ICICI Bank website and then after go to the personal banking option and then log in. Certain common or related passwords or pins. Never keep any number in duplicate for your pin. Never keep pin or password related to birth and vehicle number or any other number. Never write your user ID, pin, password openly to anybody. Don't choose easier and highly used common passwords, because many of us are selecting the passwords which are easier to remember. Never do this. Don't choose a common password for all the important logins. Suppose you have multiple accounts and certain multiple login IDs, then use different passwords for all. Never use the common password. Never give the correct answers in the security questions for the pin reset purpose. So because many of your nearbys know that what are the answer of your security questions, right? So that can be easily cracked out and misused by someone. Never give password, pin and OTP to someone, and frequently change the password or pin, 3D secure pin, etc. There are certain common passwords worldwide. There is a survey and from that they have described certain 50 common passwords being used by globally. You can check whether you are using any of passwords from this list or not. These are the list of common passwords. Written important and secure details. Never write your user ID, pin, password openly to anybody. Select a trick or the formula to know the correct password from wrongly written password. That can enable you only to get the correct password detail. Never write user ID and password both together in one document. Select a coding system to encrypt and decrypt the user ID and password so nobody can know the correct details even written anywhere. Likewise, encryption and decryptions. Suppose if you are entering the username or passwords, just use it, just write the capital letter for the correct small letter. Use any alphabet which is next or the previous alphabet to the correct one. Use the capital for small letter. The numbers can be represented by actual number plus 1 or the actual number minus 1. Likewise, symbol should be also represented, that at the rate should be described by hash, dollar sign should be replaced by and key. So by doing like this, nobody can know your passwords or like that, even if they know this. But you need to remember this decryptions code. Others and miscellaneous, don't enable smart messaging options in your mobile phones, because many times people are using this option, and the OTPs and all are being displayed or being used by the other apps. Don't enable notifications on locked device, specifically for the SMS app, because even if your phone is locked and someone is changing your passwords or someone like that, then OTP comes through the SMS, and anybody can read this SMS or the OTP. Don't enable the preview of SMS in the notifications. These are certain settings to be done to prevent from this scam. Give permissions to important apps only to read the SMS. Don't make any secured activity using untrusted or unknown Wi-Fi. Keep your settings, SMS and call applications always password protected. See, these are settings from your Android or some mobiles, and you should do the correct settings to prevent from this scam. Okay, have a safe future. Please subscribe and activate the notification bell to get the informations on our next videos, and give us the likes to these videos. Write us the comments if you know certain more things, and share the videos so other can know these things. Thank you.